Describe a long car journey you went on, where you went, what you did at that place, who you went there with, why you went on that journey by car, and how you felt about that journey.
One memorable long car journey I embarked on was a trek to the picturesque city of Chandigarh in India. It was a delightful adventure filled with exploration, relaxation, and quality time with my friends. We drove from our hometown Ramgarh to Chandigarh, which was approximately a 5-hour journey. The drive took us through scenic highways, lush green fields, and many small villages, providing a beautiful glimpse. Upon reaching Chandigarh, my friends and I were greeted by the stunning architecture and urban planning that the city is renowned for. We visited the iconic rock garden created by artist Nick Chand, which was a mesmerizing blend of sculptures made from recycled materials. It was fascinating to witness the creativity and craftsmanship displayed throughout the garden. Then spent a day at Sukhna Lake, a tranquil reservoir where we enjoyed boating and took walk alongside the lake. The serene atmosphere and amazing views provided a much needed respite from our hectic schedules. I went on this journey with my friends and cousins. It was a rare occasion for all of us to be together and spend quality time away from distractions of work and routine. We shared laughter, engaged in deep conversations, and created lasting memories that they and I cherish till this day. We chose to travel by car because it offered us the flexibility to explore the beautiful countryside at our own pace. It also allowed us to make important stops and capture the essence of the journey. Additionally, traveling by car gave us a sense of adventure and freedom, which enhanced the overall experience. Reflecting on this journey, I felt a profound sense of joy and contentment. The combination of breathtaking landscapes, quality time with loved ones, and the cultural experiences in Chandigarh made it an unforgettable trip.
What will cars be like in the future? Well, it is not easy to answer because future is unpredictable. But I think there might be cars, which will run on solar power or renewable resources. There are already cars available which run on electricity, and personally I will also like to buy a pollution-free car in the future. What's the difference between men's and women's preference on cars? Men and women may have different preferences when it comes to cars due to a variety of factors. Generally, men tend to show more interest in performance-oriented vehicles, focusing on factors such as power, speed, and design. Women, on the other hand, often prioritize safety and reliability when choosing a car. If I talk about myself, I like the cars with classic look. What are the differences between bicycles and private cars? Bicycles are human-powered vehicles, while private cars are motorized vehicles that run on gasoline or electricity. Bicycles are typically smaller and lighter than private cars, making them easy to ride in traffic and also easier to park. Private cars offer enclosed cabins with climate control, providing greater comfort and protection as compared to bicycles. The main difference is that bicycles are pollution-free and environment-friendly. Why do people like to have private cars? People like to have private cars because they provide convenience and flexibility in transportation. Having a car allows individuals to travel whenever and wherever they want, without relying on public transportation schedules. Private cars also offer a sense of independence and control over one's travel experience. Additionally, cars provide privacy and comfort, allowing people to personalize their space and carry belongings without restrictions. Is it a good thing that everyone has his/her own cars? No, it is not a good thing for everyone to have their own cars. It leads to increase in traffic congestion, air pollution, and the need for parking spaces. Additionally, individual car ownership can be costly and inefficient, as cars often sit idle for long periods. Promoting alternative modes of transportation and emphasizing shared mobility options can be more helpful. How to buy private cars in India? Buying a car in India is a straightforward process. Individuals can visit car showrooms or browse online platforms to select the desired car model. Payment options include upfront payment or choosing financing options such as installments or loans. It is important to prepare the necessary documents, including identification, address proof, and income details, as they are required for financing or purchase.